Hello everyone. So in this video, we will solve this problem based on the concepts of simple interest. So as per the problem, we have to identify a better option for investing $2,500. And the two options are 5% annual simple interest rate for 3 years or 6% annual simple interest rate for 2 years. So the first step here is to understand how do we know which investment choice is a better option. The option in which we earn more interest amount is a better investment option. So that's the criteria we'll have to use to decide on which option is a better one. Now since this is simple interest, so we know that there is a formula for calculating the interest amount for simple interest investment, and I'll write the formula on the board. The formula is I equals P times R times T. So we have to calculate the interest amount that we'll earn for both options, and whichever option gives us a higher interest amount is a better option. Now in this formula, I represents the interest amount, P is the principal amount or the amount we are investing. In this case, $2,500 are being invested. So the P value is 2,500. Now for the first option, the R value or the interest rate value is 5%. In the formula, we will use the value of R in the decimal form, not the percent form. So we'll have to convert this percent to decimal form, and we do that by dividing the value by 100. So I got 0.05. And T represents the time in years, and this is 3 for the option 1. And now we can use these values to calculate the interest amount for the first option, which is the 5% annual simple interest rate for 3 years. So my step is I equals, so the P value is 2,500 times R value, which is 0.05, that's the annual rate, and T, which is time in years, is 3. We can do this calculation in our calculator. So I got $375. So that's the interest amount. Now we have to repeat these steps for the second investment choice. So first we can list the values of the variables. So we'll have to use the same formula. So the P value is the same. It's the same amount of money being invested. So P equals 2,500. R represents the annual interest rate, which is 6%, and we'll have to convert it to decimal form. So we'll have to divide it by 100, and we get 0.06. And T represents the time period in years, and that's 2. And now we can sub in these values in the formula. So we get I equals 2,500 times 0.06 times 2. And now we can do the calculation in our calculator. And I got $300. So that's the interest amount we'll earn. So this means that the first investment choice is a better choice because we earn more interest amount in that investment. So we can write a concluding statement to summarize our answer. Annual simple interest rate for 3 years is a better investment choice. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.